Hey there! Big thanks to all our new subscribers, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Today, we're diving into some awesome must-have garage equipment under mechanical tools that every DIY car lover should own. Let's check it out. 6 pieces set, magnetic tool, and telescopic mirror set. "11 pieces. Carbon steel precision pick and hook set. Two-way articulating borescope. Nine pieces damaged screw extractor set. Amazon Basics Mechanics socket tool set.
Amazon Basic tool kit, and the case is pretty sturdy, and it feels heavy duty. And it has on the side some plastic handles where you open it. This thing's right here. Huh. Look at that. Everything is pretty tight. Nothing's really falling. Everything seems to be in there. Like I said, the tools feel very well quality.
5-piece locking pliers set. Cordless 3/8-inch subcompact ratchet.
Subcompact ratchet. Its low-profile head design allows access to tight spaces. LED lighting illuminates your work area, while the fuel gauge keeps you informed. The Milwaukee M12 ratchet. Compact power for your toolbox.
Torque wrench. 1/2-inch drive, click 10 to 150 foot-pounds. $262-piece mechanic tool set.
Mechanic tool set. A comprehensive collection in a durable 3-drawer box, featuring low-profile ratchets with a 72-tooth design for tight spaces. One-handed locking dial for easy access and secure storage. Includes a full assortment of sockets, wrenches, and specialty bits, compatible with the VersaStack system for customized storage.
Mechanics tool set, 1/4-inch drive, 20-piece.
This 20-piece set features a low-profile ratchet with a 72-tooth mechanism for precise control. Access tight spaces with ease using the slim ratchet head. Enjoy corrosion resistance with a full polished chrome finish. Organize your tools effortlessly in the VersaStack compatible case.
I'd love to know what car model or content you want me to create next. Drop a comment below with your suggestions and I'll make it happen. Let's build this channel together.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.